Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at AI EuRUsD EA for MT4 and MT5, and in this review we'll go through the MQL5 marketplace page, explore the main features and discuss the historical testing considerations and overall approach behind this expert advisor. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for AI EuRUsD EA. Okay, and this expert advisor seems to be available for both MT4 and MT5, and it is developed by Thijs Miranda Hoffman. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at $30 and the current version shown is 2.5, updated on November 9th, 2023. According to the developer, this is an expert advisor based on artificial intelligence and is designed specifically for the EuRUSD currency pair. The recommended time frames are M15, M30, H1, H4, and D1. The developer also mentions that traders looking to receive all available signals can activate the full trade option and run the EA simultaneously across several supported time frames. As I continue through the product description, one of the main points highlighted is that the EA generates a relatively large number of trading signals. The developer also states that the system includes both take profit and stop loss functionality and does not use martingale or hedging strategies. Looking further down the page, we can see the recommended trading conditions. The minimum suggested deposit is $50. The EA is intended for EuRUSD only, and developer states that it can be used with any broker, all right, provided the account has leverage greater than 50. The settings section offers a good amount of flexibility. Traders can enable or disable buy and sell trades independently, activate the full trade mode, define custom lot sizes, adjust take profit and stop loss values, configure break-even functionality, and enable a progressive trailing stop system. There is also a maximum spread filter which can prevent the EA from opening trades when spread conditions exceed the user-defined threshold. The developer explains that the default risk management is variable, but users also have the option to manually define position sizing if they prefer greater control. Okay, another notable point is that the default risk to reward ratio is described as 1:1. All right, with the stop loss and take profit levels set equally by default. Now, moving into the historical analysis portion, any backtesting should ideally focus on the recommended EuRUSD pair and the specified time frames of M15, M30, H1, H4, and D1. Now, when reviewing historical testing performance, it's always helpful to evaluate results across multiple market conditions rather than relying on a short testing period. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester, and as you can see, we tested the AI EuRUSD MT5 on EuRUSD, of course, on the H1 time frame, and we did the back testing over the past year. All right. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and of course, we're using the every tick modeling. Okay, so let's just quickly look at the results. We can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was actually negative 2,430.13. The total trades taken were 16, and short trades were 7 with a 57.14% win rate. Long trades were 9 with 44.44% win rate. The largest profit was 5,383.53. Largest loss was 5,316. Average profit 3,607.14. Average loss 3,910.91. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, and the win rate is also not good enough. So when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, well, I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit. All right. So let's just quickly go through the chart history a bit. So looking at the completed chart history, I'll be paying attention to how frequently signals were generated, how the stop loss and take profit levels were managed, and how features such as break even and trailing stop functionality influenced trade outcomes over time. Now, since the developer specifically highlights the full trade option, it would also be interesting to compare historical behavior with that feature enabled versus disabled. Now, the marketplace description states that the system's calculations are based on artificial intelligence, okay, trained using historical market data, patterns, support and resistance areas, and proprietary indicators. Beyond what is specifically described by the developer, I wouldn't assume any additional entry or exit logic. But based on what we can see here, this EA seems to be the type to hold trades for long. We can see how the trades seem to span days. All right, you can see each candle here represents 1 hour because this is the H1 time frame, and you can see that the trade was executed here. You can see how many candles passed, each representing 1 hour, before the trade was closed. And you can see this particular one, you can see how many days, how many candles passed before the trade was closed. Okay, so the EA seems to have tolerance for holding trades for days. All right, so any user of this EA should at least have that tolerance, for swing trading. Okay, but as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Overall, the AI EuRUsD EA for MT4 and MT5 is a EuRUsD focused automated trading system that combines AI based analysis with configurable risk management, break even controls, trading stop functionality, and multi time frame operation. As always, I would recommend conducting your own extended testing and optimization before considering any live deployment so you can evaluate how the EA performs under different market conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.